and all those things are rubbish. All right, candlestick is just to tell you the price. All right, is tell you about the price history. Okay, we'll go on the chart and I'll tell you guys, and I'll show you everything on the practical section. Okay, then what we do on that candlestick section, we use what we call structure. All right, we follow what we call structure. Another structure is the same thing. The same way I want to bring you back down to the physical market. Okay, physical market, let's say you are going to the market for the first time in the physical market, right? You make a structure. The structure is your plan. All right, you make the structure. Okay, I need to open this, I need to open that. So that's the structure. All right, so that's the structure you get on the chart. So we analyze candlesticks to get a structure. Then the game plan here, because guys, the whole video will be short and very quick so you guys can understand. So the game plan here is for you to understand where you are getting in. All right, if you are taking the trade for a long term, or if you are taking it for a short term, or if you want to be one of these traders. All right, if you want to be one of these traders, if you want to be a scalp, if you want to be a day, so that's the game plan. So enough further ado, let's get on the real chart so I can show you guys all the practical session and everything you need to know about trading. All right, so guys, now back to the real chart. Okay, now I want to show you guys the candlestick. So before guys, this thing will make more sense to you guys. So the candle is just for us to notice price. All right, so how does the candle move? We have what we call the open, the close on the candle. So we say the open of the close, then the close. Like it's just like when price open, we have the open. When price close, then this week you see here is price extension. All right, initially these are just maybe the pushes price. Okay, so now on this candle there's what we call trend. All right, in candlesticks there's what we call trend. So this trend now moves in three phase. Okay, the trend what moves in what three phase. So one thing you need to know about this trend, it moves in three phase, which we say we have the uptrend, we have the downtrend, and we have the what consolidating in the candle. Okay, so we have the what the consolidating. So this same candlestick you just see, that is what we call this trend. All right, so first thing, if price breaks above a previous movement, we call it up. Remember, I'm supposed to be using trading language, but I want to make this very simple and very stick, so it can stick to you guys brain. So we use the concept of what up. So if price breaks above, we use the concept of up. So what's basically mean, and if price breaks below, we use the concept of what down. This simply means once you see price going to the upside, right, you want to buy. Then once you see price going to the downside, you want to sell. But if you see price going in range, all right, if you see price going in range just like this,